Shia worshippers were targeted yet again as a bomb tore through a mosque, exposing the persistent vulnerability of the community in Pakistan. In Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, where Shias form the majority, the attack has triggered fierce protests and painful memories of the past massacres. Demonstrators say this is not an isolated tragedy, but part of a continuing pattern of violence, impunity, and systemic neglect that has left an entire community feeling besieged and unheard. We have a report.
In Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, anger is spilling onto the streets as members of the Shia community protest over what they describe as years of unchecked repression. From targeted attacks on places of worship to failure to hold perpetrators accountable, many believe a pattern of discrimination and insecurity has taken root. The latest bombing on a Shia mosque in Islamabad has only deepened fears, reinforcing concerns over the safety of religious minorities under Pakistan's rule. The Shia community is in majority in POGB. However, they continue to feel vulnerable, marginalized, and unheard under the existing system.
18 जनाजे कोहिस्तान से आए, 16 जनाजे लालूसर से आए, 10 जनाजे चिलास से आए, 4 जनाजे मनावर से आए। उसी 2012 में 5 जनाजे यूनिवर्सिटी में यौम हुसैन मनाते हुए शहीद किए गए। आज तक कोई कातिल नहीं पकड़ा गया। कहीं पे किसी आलिम को शहीद किया जाता था, कहीं पे किसी ब्यूरोक्रेट को शहीद किया जाता था, कहीं पे किसी सियासतदान को शहीद किया जाता था या किसी शख्सियत को कत्ल किया जाता था। लेकिन 80 के दहाई के बाद इज्तिमाई तौर पे शियान अली इब्न अबी तालिब के खून बहाना शुरू हुआ है। नस्ल कुशी के इरादे से शियान अली इब्न अबी तालिब को पाकिस्तान के वजूद से मिटाने के लिए बाकायदा इज्तिमाई तौर पे खून खराबा हुआ है।
In Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, memories of past atrocities remain painfully alive. From coordinated attacks in the late 1980s to repeated targeted killings over the years, many families still await justice. Protesters say the wounds have never healed because accountability never followed. They state that successive administrations failed to protect lives, rebuild trust, or address deep-rooted grievances. Even today, insecurity, neglect, and political silence continue to define daily life, leaving communities feeling abandoned and unprotected.
फिर 1988 में गिलगित बल्तिस्तान को निशाना बनाया गया। बगैर किसी जवाब के, बगैर किसी इश्तियाल अंगेजी के हजारों अफराद पे दहशतगर्दों का लश्कर गिलगित बल्तिस्तान की तरफ रवाना किया गया। 500 किलोमीटर का फासला तय करके ये गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के ऊपर हमलावर हुए। दरमियान में कोई रोक टोक नहीं हुई। इतनी सारी चेक पोस्टें होने के बावजूद, गोंजे में पूरा मुसल्लह अफवाज का क्वार्टर होने के बावजूद, जिगलोट के अंदर मुसल्लह अफवाज की यूनिटें होने के बावजूद इनको फ्री हैंड दिया गया।
What began as targeted violence has now deepened into a larger crisis of religious suppression and systemic neglect. In POGB, communities say they are not only struggling for security but also for dignity and equal rights. Alongside fears of sectarian targeting, the region continues to face weak infrastructure, limited healthcare, poor connectivity, and shrinking economic opportunities. Protesters argue that without genuine political will, accountability, and development, the cycle of marginalization will only intensify, leaving an entire generation trapped between insecurity and deprivation.